All you need is a Gmail account. And also, by utilizing this tool, I will certainly show you can start making money online as soon as possible. As you can see, this is available around the world. So, where you are from doesn't matter one bit, and also this is cost free to do. Before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and want to see more, give this video a thumbs up below. I do appreciate it. And if you have not already, be sure to click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified when a new video pops up. With that said, let's jump into the video. Alright. So, the website we will certainly be discussing today is called clickgenie.com, and right off the bat, specifically when you initially begin right here, you can see just how you can get paid. Make up to 0.042 cents for every email you read. So, you get paid by simply reading emails. As simple as that. Also, it's a highly suitable amount of cash. Right before we proceed, I require you to point out that this is not a long-lasting technique. It will not pay you crazy quantities of money. So don't expect impractical results. If you want much more long-lasting strategies to earn money online, ensure to look into my videos initially. Anyhow, down here, we will have the ability to see what features this website offers to its users. So, it has a friendly interface, which is rather excellent as sites like this usually don't bother with making the user's experience good at all. Something extremely essential is seen right next to this, multiple earning options. So, you don't simply earn money by reading emails. You can also refer people right here to make money and talk referrals right here. You can see that you can earn even more cash for every single active referrals. You get up to 5 levels deep as much as 320%. So a 320% increase from the original quantity, it's a unique feature that I haven't seen in sites like this at all. And it's very excellent enhancement also. So, I extremely suggest you likewise refer some people to right here to make some additional money. I will certainly reveal to you exactly where to share your affiliate web link to make money. You can also click on even more to learn more concerning the referral system. Yet, I won't go over it in this video. One of the various other features this website provides is security. So, your data would not be at threat whatsoever. All your incomes can be tracked. So, you get detailed information on just how much you have made. Ultimately, you can see that ClickGenie has super fast. But just below, you can see that you can additionally install this on your mobile phone device if you intend to. So, this is not just available for a laptop or PC per se. Right here, they have some highly crucial little details regarding the payment that I know you will be interested in. So, to begin with, you get paid immediately. There is no waiting whatsoever. You make money whenever you read an email or refer someone to this website. Additionally, you require 1 cent to have the ability to withdraw your cash, which is very low compared to very few other websites. As well as, if you remember, you will make money 4.2 cents per email you read. It indicates that after reading a single email, you will have the ability to withdraw your profits. Finally, you can see that they provide you with a lot of different payment options. So, for those of you who either don't like PayPal or are not available to you, you can still make money. And also, for those of you who love cryptocurrency, this site is excellent for you since you have get paid via Bitcoin, as you can see most certainly. Once more, you can see that this site is secure and provide you a lot more information about it. Yet, I intend to show you that you are located simply below the stats and more importantly, the payment proofs. So, you can see that this site has 50,000 members and had paid out over $7,000. If you click proofs below, you will be taken over to this web page. As well as, I genuinely require to show you this since first of all, there are many websites similar to this that are scamming people. And secondly, I want to show you that this is worldwide available. It matters not where you come from. And as you can see, there are people from basically around the world getting paid via this website every single day. So it's most absolutely not the scam whatsoever, shape or form. And it does work worldwide, much as I assured you. In any case, when you come back over on their homepage and scroll down a little bit more, you will see that it takes less than 30 seconds to sign up. They give you live stats. It works worldwide. And also lastly, they provide you consumer support, all great features. The last thing you can look at on this site that I will not go over is the frequently asked questions. Just over them, you can see the register button, which you will intend to click to create your new account. So you can start making money with this website. Now, something of note is that you will not have the ability to start generating income with this website today. There is something you need to do that I will certainly show you in the future. Please don't skip ahead or this will not work for you. Anyways, to create an account, enter your username, email address, your password. Tick this box and show that you agree to their terms of services, which you can read if you intend to, by clicking them, as well as tick the box just below, signaling you have read their privacy notice, which you can read as well. The third box you don't require to tick if you don't intend to. In any case, to create your account, click register button down below. Right after you do that, you will receive an email from them that's look like something like this. And also, you will undoubtedly need to click on this web link to confirm that the email you entered belonged to you and activate your account. As well as from there, you will need to come to ClicksGenie. Click on login here to log into your new account. Now this is what you will discover when you log in, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. It is user friendly like it claims on its homepage. You can see your incomes right over here. On the left hand side, you have referrals, money, people and statistics. By clicking on referrals, you can see how many people you have actually referred so far and just how much money you have made. Now to withdraw your cash, what you require to do is merely click on money right here and then on withdraw. And that's all there is to it. Here you have their referral link. Now referring people to this site is absolutely an excellent concept, as it does pay you a quite decent amount for that. You can find most likely to numerous Facebook Generate Income online groups and share this with people. Tell them that ClicksGenie made your money, and that's a wonderful website if you want to generate income online and get a couple of clicks for some extra profit. However, you need to do something if you intend to make money with this by reading emails. And also, this is why I claimed it's widely vital to keep watching. As you can see on ClicksGenie here, there are no emails to read for you to make money. And so what you require to do is to go over to your Gmail account, discover an open message that resembles this right here. They explain to you that to make money, you need to add them to your contact list. However, below is the thing. If you try following these steps, it will not work. They inform you that you need to click these three dots right here and choose Add ClicksGenie to your contact list. But when you try to add them like that, the option is not available, as you can see. Therefore, what you need to do from there is to add them to your contact list. Is click on below and click on contacts. And also, this is just how you will add them to your contact list from here. Just click on create contact and after that on create a contact once again. From there, you will certainly enter in their first name as Clicks, their last name as Genie. You then require to add their email address, which you can locate right over below. Copy it and also return over right here and also paste it. You can leave the various other options blank and click on save to finish this process. And just currently, after you have added them to your contacts, they will send you emails for you to read. They will do so every day, and every single time you read one of them, you will certainly see over the dashboard that you will certainly earn money. As simple as that. And with that said, that's it for today's video. If you like it and want to see more, give this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming uploads, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching and I will see you in the following videos.